I think this is what they should call someone, or how should I put it? I think this is what they mean when they mean someone is obsessed with themselves. Because look at this foreign girl. I'm literally obsessed with myself. So I'm smiling too much. I think I'm smiling too much. So hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Agatha, and in this video we're going to be doing this makeup look that I am on right now. So if you're interested, please do not leave this channel and keep watching. I love you. So guys, to begin, I'm going to start with my brows. I feel like starting with my brows today instead of the skin work. Usually before the brows, I want to go ahead and start with the brows first. So I'm going to brush it down. I have not shapen my brows in ages actually. Alright, so guys, next I'm just going to be using my P.LOUISE eyeshadow base, which I already applied here. I'm going to blend that into these brows. I got this, I don't know, I saw them using it, doing this rather, on Instagram, so I want to see what difference it makes. Yes, I'm going to blend, what's this, my setting powder on it. So I have this eyebrow pencil that I got, Top Face eyebrow pencil. It has this yeah, it has 3 sharp mouths. I don't know if you guys can see that, and it's meant to be like an ink. So that's what I'll be using. Yo, you guys, don't blame this my eyebrow today. I feel like this brows today is trash. Next time. And I'm going to be using this ZIKEL Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. ZIKEL and LHIDIA. I think I've showed you people before in my former video. So I'm going to be going in with the shade, let me see, let's try something. Let me use the shade Amber. So next what I'm going to do is I'll go in with my eyeshadow base. I'm using the Viange. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that way. What I'll do again is to take the white umber, the umber blend here in. I'm going to take my MACCOSMETICS eyeliner. I don't know if you can see where I'm placing it. I'm going to put the shade Risky. Risky is a black shade. Can you see what I'm doing here? It looks like a disaster at first, but now let me make it look right. So I'm using the shade Umber. with the other eye. I already applied my face primer, so what I'm going to do is to spray my setting spray. Need to wait for it to dry down from my setting powder. So I'm just going to press that into my skin. Next, I'll go in with this eyeshadow primer. I saw it somewhere that this eyeshadow primer makes your under eye look brighter. So instead of the color corrector, we use this eyeshadow primer. So let's see how it goes. Next, I'll go in with my foundation. I'm going to be using this MAC Studio Fix Fluid. As you can see, this is too light for me. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to mix up this foundation. I'll be using the ZIKEL foundation in the shade Cacao 035. Now I'm going to be contouring using the shade Cacao. So now I feel the jawline is snatched. Let's go straight to what's it called? Concealer. So I'll be using this ZIKEL concealer in the shade Neutral. Next, I'm using this other shade, MAC Studio Fix in the shade NW43. So yeah, just like the former video I did, you know what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to wait for it to dry. Then after it dries down, before I can then blend it in. So people, I blended my concealer out because my camera was misbehaving and it was already dried. I just had to. Next, I'm just going to use the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation NC42. I think I'm just going to press it in. Powder palette. I've showed you guys before, so I'm just going to so this time what I'm doing is I'm lining my lip. Let's give it up for my camera for trying to piss me off and going off. From Cosmetics. So I have this shade, these nude shades from ZIKEL. Let's try that. My shade in the palette ZIKEL. Is this cafe. using another shade, golden bronze. I think next I need more blush. I need more blush on this cheek. So yeah, this is the end of the makeup look. I hope you guys like it because I absolutely love this makeup. Like, I look like a snack. Anyways, see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye. See you in my next one.